There are 3 torque specifications. The anchor bracket should be tightened to a recommended 250 foot-pounds or higher. Double-check your vehicle or chassis manufacturer's torque specifications of nuts. The 3 by 3/4 inch Safety Plus unit bolts that attach the Safety Plus unit to the anchor bracket and the tie rod bracket are at 120 to 130 foot-pounds of torque. Lastly, the tie rod bracket U-bolts require 4 flanged lock nuts that are not to exceed, under any circumstances, 20 foot-pounds of torque.